everyone, I'm Cecilia Louie of Paper Zen. Since I've been self-isolating at home, I've been staring at my four walls and looking around at things that I can improve. And one of the areas that I really wanted to improve was how to organize my rubber bands. Now, I know it seems like such a small thing, but I had all these rubber bands all hanging on this one hook, and every time I needed I would have to untangle it and guess at its length. Is it the right one? And what if I need another one of that one? And then I'd have to undo them all and figure them all out. So at a glance, I can tell how many I have of whatever length I need, and there's no fighting it. If this is the one I want, I just quickly take it out and I'm on to my next task. So if you like this kind of organizer, well, guess what? You can easily download my pattern, and I'll leave a link in the notes below this video. Just look down below. Now you can just print this pattern. I'll supply it as a PDF, and those of you who have an electric die cutter that can handle SVG files, I'll leave a free file for you that way as well. And I'll just quickly show you. It's so dead easy. You can cut this out of cardstock. You can use a cereal box. It doesn't really matter. So I'm taking up the whole length of my page of 8.5 by 11 and folding it in half, and I just basically put glue all along this whole surface and kind of squished it until they came together and waited for it to dry. Then I just took a hole puncher and just hole punched a hole so that I can just add my hook to it. And now this lies flat against my fridge, and it's fantastic. It doesn't take up too much space. And then I thought, of course, it's not just rubber bands that I need help with. I also need to do the same thing with my hair ties. So I thought, okay, well, this is about the amount that I needed, about half. You can make two here. It's the same concept, really. And I just, made two and gave one to a friend, and she loves it too. So I hope this organizes your areas as well. And if you enjoy this video, I hope you'll support my channel by giving it a thumbs up or leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.